Hello. In this demo we will see how to configure runtime.properties outside the ZIETrans EAR. We will first start by creating a new environment variable. Search and open the system properties. Click on Environment Variables, and under the User Variables click on New. Give the variable name as ZIETrans_runtime_CFG_env, and for the value, you need to specify a folder path. Under this folder you can add one or more runtime.properties files. After you create the environment variable, you might be required to reboot your machine for the changes to take effect. Once your machine is rebooted, open your ZIETrans workspace. Go to Navigator tab. Expand your project EAR. And copy your runtime.properties and runtime.debug.properties. Now open the File Explorer, and go to the folder, which you specified in the environment variables. Here create a new folder. The folder name must be same as your project name. Go inside this folder and paste the properties files, which you copied. That's it. Now, to test it, I'll edit the runtime.debug.properties. I will change the log file name from messages.txt to demolog.txt and see if it works. I will go back to the ZIETrans workspace. You can either keep or delete the runtime.properties files from the EAR. Now, I will bring my server up. As you can see, in the console logs it is showing the path which I've set in the environment variables. Let's see if the log file name has actually changed. I'll go to the EAR folder and expand logs. As you can see, it has changed from messages to demolog. If you have multiple ZIETrans projects and to configure them, you just need to create new folders with the project names inside the same root folder and follow the same steps. You can also refer to the documentation by visiting help.hcl-software.com for more details. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your ZIETrans configuration.